Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. I hope all of you are fine. We have completed our lesson 5 for the Damien, its reading and comprehension. Today we are going to start its exercise, that is on page number 28. Exercise A, meanings in context. Meanings in context mean that in this lesson how these words are used and which meanings. Match each word in the first column with its meaning in the second column. What we have to do, we have to match the words and their appropriate words or their meanings. So the very first word is miserable, wretched, right? I am matching them like this. You can write the number and you can match them. Neglected, neglected, disregarded, neglected in any way. Inspiration, to inspire something, to create something. So inspiration, power to think and create. Services, in this chapter services is standing for meeting for worship and prayer. Dressed, like dressing a sword, dressing any injury. So dressed mean cleaned and bandaged. The next word is managed. To succeed something skillfully, successfully. Persuade, persuade means induce. Overbearing, overbearing, haughty. The next word is, I think I have left one word, troubles, that is H. Troubles mean different kind of tension, different kind of problems. So trouble is standing here for problems and worries. The last word is authority. Authority means having some power, having authority to do any act, to give any order. So authority means here power to give orders, right? Hope all of you have understand these words. This is your classwork. I am writing over here with date, and the next exercise, use each of the following words from the passage and sentences of your own. This is your homework. You have to make sentences by your own self of all these words, right? The next exercise, you have to look on this exercise and you have to choose best answer by your own self, and in the next class we will complete this exercise. Okay, thank you so much for today. Allah Hafiz.